Listen up, guys. If you're tired of switching between different AI tools just to create one project, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you an incredible AI platform that brings together the best image, video, and AI models in one place, and even lets you use Claude and ChatGPT directly with it through its brand new MCP feature. Make sure you don't skip a step, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate high-quality images, videos, and automate your entire AI workflow. Now, let's get into it. So this right here is the absolutely incredible AI tool that I'm going to be fully covering in today's video. And if you just take a look around the user interface, you can see right away that everything looks completely amazing and well designed. We have lots and lots of powerful features built right in, and that is especially why I love this particular AI tool. Because if you look around the interface, you can see advanced models like Supercomputer, which is basically an all-in-one generative platform that has everything you can think of. It can help you out with everything from initial brainstorming to generating full videos, finding your exact target audience, as well as easily linking your favorite apps directly to it. So just think of it as an AI powerhouse for your PC that can do basically anything you need it to, without having to switch tabs. It as well has the Higgsfield Academy integrated right into it, whereby you can learn exactly how to make films from scratch. And if you look closely at the results, you can see the sheer realism you get with this is just amazing. And you honestly couldn't even tell it was AI, with the high quality output you get like this. And most importantly, you can see that if you look right over here, Higgsfield now has the brand new MCP feature, where you can easily connect Higgsfield to apps like Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, OpenClaw, and as well as Hermes, and basically use the power of Higgsfield right in their own interface. So it is basically Claude on high-quality generative wheels. But I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can set this up step by step and how you can generate your own images and videos and do a whole lot more with this platform. But firstly, let's head back over to the main tab. And if you scroll down a bit, you can see that this isn't just a simple one model generator. They have lots and lots of distinct models available, like Nano Banana Pro, Seedance 2, and many others. But database-wise, let's test out the image generator by hovering right over here. And you can see they have lots and lots of amazing features ranging all the way from Cinematic Studio all the way to AI Influencer. This AI tool truly has it all, no matter what kind of content you create. To generate your first images, all you have to do is click right here on Image, and you'll be loaded right over to this generation interface. As you can see from the get-go, I myself have been testing this out quite a bit, and the overall quality you get with this is just great. Whether you're going for pure realism or you want to generate eye-catching cover pictures for your product, this AI platform has everything you can possibly think of. So to test this out right now, all you have to do is type in a simple prompt here, like I can say, image of a dog playing in a park, just like this. And if you click right here on models, you can see they have lots and lots of models for you to test out, like the Higgsfield Sol 2, Seedream 5 Pro, all the way to Nano Banana Pro. But for the purpose of this demo, let's test out the all-new Seedream 5 Pro with this. So just click right here on it, and for the resolution quality, I'm going to leave it at 2K. And the aspect ratio for this, I'm going to go by 1:1. And you can as well choose exactly how many images you want to generate at a single time. I highly recommend generating more than one, so you have a lot of variety to choose from. So all you have to do here is click right here on Generate, and our images are currently being generated. Just give this a couple of seconds while it generates our images for us. And in no time at all, we have these beautiful images right here. And if you take a closer look at both of them, you can see that it did a pretty good job with this prompt. But however, for this second one, you can see it generated 2 balls, which is not bad. But I would definitely rather go with the first one, which is this one right here. That is exactly why it's best to generate more than one image at a time. And you can see other amazing features, like you can recreate, and you can add this as a reference image, Or you can click right here and turn this image into a video. Or for this, I'm just going to click right here on download and download it straight into my device. And before we head over to the main feature here, which is the MCP setup, let's test out the video generator by hovering over here. And you can see they as well have lots and lots of amazing features like the Higgsfield explainer and the edit video, which is just great. I don't know if you noticed, they have the top model right here, which is Cadence 2 4K. So to use this, all you have to do is click right here on Generate Video, and you can see that I myself have been testing this out, and the quality you get with this is just great. All you have to do is type in a prompt of your choice, like I can say, man drinking coffee at a cafe, just like this. And you can select the specific model you want to use. For this, I'm going to go with Cadence 2, and for duration, I'm just going to take this down a little bit to 7 seconds. Having everything set, all you have to do is click right here on Generate, and our video is currently being generated. So just give this a couple of minutes while we generate our video for us. Then after this, we're going to head over to the MCP, and I'll be showing you guys everything you need to know about it. Okay, and in no time at all, our video is completely done generating. Let's take a closer look at this. And isn't that just great? No weirdness, no distortion, it adhered to the prompt perfectly, and you can download it right here, straight into your device by clicking here. So now that I've shown you how to generate images and videos, let's head over to the MCP2 by clicking right here. And if you notice, you can see that there's entirely lots and lots of features that you can handle with this MCP2. So now let me show you how to set it up. For this, all you need to do is head over and open a new tab and search for Claude AI, and you should be loaded over to this interface. And from the get-go, all you have to do is head over here to your settings, then hover over connectors, and you should see GitHub right here. But that's not what we're focused on today. You can see you can connect other popular accounts, but to connect Higgsfield specifically, all you have to do is click right here on Add and select Add Custom Connector. For this, we're going to be giving it the name Higgsfield, and for the remote MCP server URL, head back to Higgsfield and copy this link right here. All you have to do is paste it in just like this, and you can click on Add and Connect. Once everything is set, I recommend heading right here on the plus button and hover over to Connectors. And you should see Higgsfield selected right here. And you can go to Manage Connectors and click on Higgsfield. And I recommend heading right here and selecting Always Allow to make your generative process much easier so you don't hit any time stops. But once everything is good and set up, you can head back and talk to Claude just like you normally would. Like I can say, brainstorm with me. I want to generate images and videos for my brand product just like this. And all you have to do is send it over just as you would. And Claude is currently processing our request. Let's see what it has to say. Okay, it asked us some questions like, what is the main goal for the visual? For this, I'm going with product ads and marketing. And to ask you more questions, all you have to do is answer each and every one of them. And it is currently processing our answers, as you can see here. So just give it a couple of seconds while it works things around, and in a few seconds, I'm going to show you how Higgsfield is actually going to run directly on the Claude interface. You can see that it has asked us a question, so we can finalize and say, yes, generate images and videos. And we can specify that our brand is a perfume brand called Buzz. Just like this. I can send it over, and once again, Claude is currently processing our request. Let's see what it does with this piece of information. And now you can see that it has given us the option to incorporate Higgsfield to generate the visuals or keep brainstorming. But I think we're good to go. So all you have to do is click on Yes, use Higgsfield to generate these, and Claude currently accesses our Higgsfield and runs all the generative process for us. Isn't this just great? You don't have to stress yourself brainstorming for prompts, hopping over from ChatGPT, copying and pasting prompts into Higgsfield. You can now do absolutely everything all in one single interface. And you can see that it's currently generating our images for us. And it is currently done, and this looks just great. It adhered to our product name and has generated us some visuals. And I can say, yes, this is very good. Now I need some videos for marketing, just like this. I can send it over as well, and Claude automatically begins to generate our video using Higgsfield. Let's give this a couple of minutes while it generates our product video for us. Honestly, this is just great because the quality you get from Higgsfield paired with how powerful Claude is an absolute game changer when it comes to AI content generation. And keep in mind, this doesn't have to be specifically for products. You can use this to generate high-quality content to upload on YouTube for YouTube automation. This makes it way easier for you and saves you hours of manual labor. Okay, in no time at all, our video is done generating. Let's take a look at what it generated for us. Wasn't that just great? It did a great job with this. We selected clean and minimalistic. That's why we have a beautiful video like this. And you can click right here and download the results straight into your device. Now, that brings us to the end of the video. So do make sure to check this feature out. The link will be in my bio.